our topic human circulatory system. Human circulatory system. In human circulatory system, our heart is the main pumping organ. Heart, main pumping organ, which pumps blood into our body. Main pumping organ in our body. In our heart, first of all, we will draw our diagram. In our circulatory system, our heart is a clenched fist-like structure in which our heart contains 4 chambers, in which 2 auricles and 2 ventricles are present. In our heart, 2 upper auricles and 2 lower ventricles are present. This side is known as left side and this is the right side. Here, first of all, from lungs, pure blood is bring about from the pulmonary vein. In the previous video, we will describe that all veins contain the impure blood, but only pulmonary vein brings the pure blood into the upper auricle part. And when pure blood comes from the lungs into our upper part, then this part is totally contracted and then relax. When this part is filled, then here is a valve V1. This is known as bicuspid valve. This valve prevents the backflow of blood, means जो blood को वापस जाने से रोकेगा. And this valve helps in passing the pure blood into the lower ventricle. When blood passes into the lower ventricle, then this part is fully relaxed and this part start to contract. In our heart, this part, both parts are separated by a septum. Septum separates the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. This part contains the pure blood, means oxygenated blood, and this part contains the deoxygenated blood, means this septum separates pure and the impure blood. Now this ventricle start to contract and transfer pure blood into complete body parts by the main artery aorta, which provide blood to all parts of our body. This is the pure circulation circle. And now from the right side, impure blood, upper and lower. From here, 2 vena cava is present. Here is inferior vena cava and upper is the superior vena cava. Superior vena cava brings the impure blood from our upper body parts, and inferior vena cava supplies blood to this upper atrium part from the lower part of our body. Now this tricuspid valve helps in passing this impure blood into the lower ventricle part. And now from here, when this part start to contract, then pulmonary artery takes the blood to the lungs, where these helps in exchanges of gas which exchange carbon dioxide and oxygen. This pulmonary vein brings the pure blood and this pulmonary artery takes the impure blood into the lungs where separation of waste material takes place, exchange of gases takes place, carbon dioxide is removed and oxygen brings out by the pulmonary vein. In our heart, the outer wall of our heart is known as the pericardium and the cavity in which our heart is present is known as the pericardial cavity, and outer part of the heart contains the cardiac muscles which contract and relax rhythmically. Complete life without time, जो बिना थके हमारी पूरे हार्ट को कॉन्टिन्यूसली बीट करने में, हार्ट ब्लड को पंप करने में हेल्प करता है. हमारे जो ये अपर पार्ट होता है ऑरिकल्स, यहाँ पे एक पेसमेकर प्रेजेंट होता है. दैट पेसमेकर creates the electrical impulses that helps in continuous beating of our heart. In human heart is double circulation. In our heart, double circulation in which one is pulmonary circulation and second is systematic circulation. In pulmonary circulation, when the pulmonary vein brings the pure blood into heart and pulmonary artery takes impure blood into the lungs, this is the pulmonary circulation. And systematic circulation, when pure blood is supplied from heart to all body parts and when the impure blood bring into the heart, and this is known as the systematic circulation. मीन्स जब हमारे लंग्स से हार्ट में ब्लड आएगा और हार्ट से दोबारा लंग्स में जाएगा, दैट इज़ पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन. और जो हमारे हार्ट से कंप्लीट बॉडी में जाएगा और कंप्लीट बॉडी से वापस हार्ट में आएगा, दैट इज़ द सिस्टमैटिक सर्कुलेशन. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज द डबल सर्कुलेशन. इन सम organisms like fishes, there is only single circulation, means one auricle is present and one ventricle is present, in which mix up of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood takes place because there is low need of energy requirements. Due to low energy requirement, their requirement is completed easily by mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. But in human beings, our 4-chambered heart is present because we need large amount of energy into our body. Due to this, both the separation of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood takes place. Due to this, our heart is divided into 4 chambers. So our circulation is known as a double circulation. Thanks and have a nice day, and please subscribe my channel.